How to fix Discord app bot command not working. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if your Discord bot command are not working on iOS, it can be due to several reasons such as permissions, bugs or issue with how the bot is configured. So here are some solutions to resolve the issue. The first solution is to verify the bot's permission. For that, open up your Discord application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your particular account. Now once you are logged into your account, simply tap on the server's name. And from here, tap on the grill-like icon that says Settings. Now from here, scroll below and then tap on Rules. Now inside the rules, ensure the following permissions are enabled for the bot. Simply tap on the bot and then tap on Permissions. Make sure these permissions and commands are enabled. Ensure the bot's rule is above the other rules it needs to interact with. And once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open up Settings application in your mobile device. Once you are here, tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, search for Discord and then tap onto it. And once you are in this section, tap on Offload App and then tap on Offload App again. Offloading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is uploaded, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now once done, head back to your home screen and then open App Store. Once you are inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for Discord. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your Discord application update to its latest version. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then see if the issue is fixed or not. If not, long press Discord, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App and then tap on Delete again. After it is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application from App Store. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.